Welcome to So Black Family, where Black creativity, culture, and courage comes to life. Blessings, y'all. Welcome back to Creative Protection 101. I'm Queen So Black, and today we're getting into one of the most misunderstood topics in the creative world: copyright versus trademark. You've got the talent, you've got the brand, but are you actually protecting both? Let's get into it. Now, copyright protects the actual content you create, like books, songs, or videos. Trademark protects the identity of your brand, like your business name, logo, or that slogan you put on every hoodie. One is about your work, the other is about how the world recognizes you. Let's take Issa Rae. Her YouTube series, The Misadventures of Awkward Black Girl, is an original script. That's copyright. But if she wanted to protect the name Awkward Black Girl as a brand for merch, a production company, or future shows, that's a trademark. Two different protections, one powerful empire. Now, Slutty Vegan didn't just trademark their name, they locked down the whole vibe. The phrase, "eat plants, you slut," yep, trademarked. The logo, trademarked. But their promo videos, photo shoots, and commercials, that's copyrighted content. Copyright protects the thing you created. That shirt design, protected. Your book, song, YouTube tutorial, podcast episode, copyrighted. If it came from your mind and you fixed it in a tangible form, it's yours to protect. Trademark is about how people recognize your brand. Think about the lip bar. That bold name, trademarked. The slogan, "Beauty that breaks the rules," yep, that's trademarked too. Even the design of the lipstick packaging is protected. If it's part of how your brand shows up to the world, it's trademark territory. Let's say you write a book. The words in the book equals copyright. But the title of your book series, your pen name, and even the logo on the cover, that's trademark if you want to expand and sell merch, courses, or launch a brand around it. And that's how Black creators turn art into legacy. If you're creating just for fun, maybe copyright is all you need. But if you're building a brand, selling shirts, books, candles, classes, coaching, you want to protect the content and the brand behind it. Don't just build it, own it. In our next episode, we're digging into DMC takedowns and cease and desist letters, how to flex your protection when someone tries to steal what's yours. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell and don't let your creativity get caught slipping.